Okay guys, so today I am going to be teaching you how to pick up a cicada. A cicada. Cicada! Okay, look. So there's a cicada right there. You pick it up right there. It usually makes a noise, but I don't think he wants to right now. There you go. Here, if you look in the sun, you can see how I'm holding him. This doesn't hurt him at all. It just makes them scared, because that's where their ears are and they can't hear. He's trying to make a noise right now. So his blood was rushing to his head a minute ago, so I'm just going to help him. He can fly, but he doesn't want to because he can't when I'm holding him like this, because his wings won't vibrate. But let's go ahead. Oh, no. Okay. So when you want to place him down, you want to put him on the back of a tree. Okay, so the wind's not over here. So what you want to do, here. Okay. You place him on the tree, wait for him to attach, and then boom. Okay. That's dealt with. I'm gonna go back to relaxing. I just wanted to show you guys because I love cicadas and they're super duper cool. Oops. I hate having to wear this huge shirt. But today is Comic-Con in my country, where I'm from, and I am super excited. Because I'm not gonna be wearing this. Oh, it's the white and black panther. I think she's got the bud, but I am not sure. Watch the black and white panther. She's trying to catch an animal of unknown species. I will not know what it is right now. She's just sitting there, waiting for her prey to move. If it's a bunny, I will kill her. If it's not a bunny, it's a but let's see what the panther is hunting. Because she just looked like she was getting ready to pounce. Look, there she goes. There she goes. There she goes. She's getting ready to get it. Look. Let's follow her. Because I want to see what she's hunting. Well, you can't see her. Oh well. Next time. So I'll make another video, see what's scared. Look, it's a butterfly. What? Butterfly, quit moving. Okay, that's it for the panther. Also guys, what your shell looks like. So, cicadas, when they're coming out of their shell and get their full wings like that guy, they look like this. Here, I'll put it on my shirt. Oh, here. They look like this. Wingless little bug. If you want to see the inside, look. Oh, one of those cicadas' shell legs fell off. Hold on. Oh my god, there's a bug inside of it. Okay, oh well. Okay, look. There you go. I'm just gonna throw that. Wait guys, can you see this one? Let's see this dude. This dude looks so cool. His wings are out. He's drying off his wing because the one I picked up came out of his shell about like 50 an hour ago. No, it's still drying his wings. That's why I didn't want to move. I should move him. Yeah, I'm gonna move him. There's like a spider where he's at right now, so I'm just gonna save him real quick. I'm sorry. Oh no. There you go. I didn't get a good enough grip because I have sunscreen all over me from that. Okay guys, have a good day.